Hi guys, so this is my BMW Z4. I have a small problem. So basically I was driving and I got caught by floods and my car was literally underwater up to the brake disc level, and water went into my side skirts. So now every time I brake I get water back and forth. To use this straight car park, and I'm using this speed bump as something to basically increase my car's height, so the water would go underneath from that end to, as you can see, it's dripping now because I removed the jack point, the plastic black point over there. So I'm just hoping all the water will go out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So if you get this problem, this is the easiest way how to do.